In this video, I will be talking about this descending broadening wedge here on the Bitcoin market, and it is about to be breaking out, and I will be revealing my exact price target if we're going to be having a bullish breakout. And of course, I will be talking about much more other things here. The most important horizontals to look for right now, if in case Bitcoin loses the 18.8k in support, where are we going to be looking for potential long positions? Where are we placing our buys? I will be talking about all of this on today's video. So make sure to smash up the like button. And guys, can we today smash it up towards 500 likes? Because yesterday we were extremely close, but can we smash it up to 500 likes today? It would, of course, absolutely mean the world to me. So make sure to smash it up, and let's dive right away in towards the content with talking about my weekend prediction. Like you do know, it is Saturday, so it is weekend once again, and my prediction once again for over the course of the weekend is going to be that Bitcoin is going to be, at the end of the weekend, trade somewhere around its CME close price, of course. The CME close price in this case is going to be the 19.3k, so we're expecting that if there's going to be volatility towards the downside, we're going to get a pump back up, and if there's going to be volatility towards the upside, we're going to eventually see, of course, more moves down in towards the Sunday evening or, of course, the Monday morning. So do be, of course, very aware. Over the course of the weekend, there could be a lot of manipulation, but in the end of the day, it always comes down towards the CME price. At least 9 out of the 10 times here. More importantly, really looking at the 4-hourly time frame, you can clearly see right now on this market, okay, we are currently forming a descending broadening wedge here. This is, of course, a typical kind of a bullish bias reversal pattern. The price target of this descending broadening wedge here is going to be all the way towards the top side. What is going to be an approximately 12.1% move if we're going to be reaching the price target. Of course, you're only going to be looking for such kind of a price target if you confirm a 4-hourly candle close outside of this downward sloping resistance line we're currently forming in this market. So we have to be keeping our eyes wide open on this level right here. And as soon as we do break above it, we could be in for, of course, a significant market increasement back towards higher levels on this range. So that is, of course, for sure a thing I am currently looking forward towards. And if we're going to see a breakout towards the upside, I am definitely here to take a little bit of a position in this market. Of course, what I really think to mainly put our attention towards are these horizontals in the market right now, right? So we can clearly see this has been very strong support, flipped into resistance right here. Very strong support, flipped in resistance right here. And like we do know, and of course the level I've been opening a long position on yesterday or 2 days ago already, where we of course took all our positions out on the 20k once again. This is of course the 18.8k, providing very strong support. Together with that, you can clearly see downward sloping resistance line flipping into support right now. So that's also beautiful to see. So make sure to take that in consideration as well. But more importantly, if we really lose the 18.8k support, I am going to be looking to be taking long positions down towards the 17.5k. If we are going to fall down to levels of $17,500, so yeah, 17.5k I should say, I will be definitely look to be opening new long positions on the market. Of course, first of all, it could be a possibility that we're going to form a double bottom. Second of all, it's a very strong level of support. And what I will be starting to be doing if we're going to fall down towards these ranges is that I'm going to be opening swing trade positions again. I'm going to be building up trades. I'm going to open low quantity, low leverage, and I'm going to, of course, up everything in terms of my quantity, in terms of my leverage along the way down here. So it's just a dollar cost average strategy I will be using. But right now, I don't really feel the rush on entering such kind of a trade yet right now. But I personally think we're right now in the larger time frame consolidation phase. You can definitely look at, okay, of course, okay, this market forming an upper sloping support line right here, right? We could be also argue, okay, we're forming right now a downward slope resistance line from the higher side. We're just in a more larger time frame consolidation, and Bitcoin definitely doesn't necessarily have to be breaking down. I personally think it's going to be a pretty volatile weekend because, yeah, we are currently entering Q3. The earnings reports are going to come out next week. So nevertheless, if this weekend is going to be boring, next week is going to be very exciting for Bitcoin. So make sure to, of course, as well subscribe to the channel right now. Press up the bell notification, because then you're going to stay up to date about what we have to say about the market next week. What is definitely going to be a crucial week. But more importantly, Bitcoin is definitely gearing up for a big move. So far in the larger time frame, still forming a higher low. We could be breaking it, and as soon as we do break it, aim for the 17.6k, 17.5k for potential new entries on this market. More importantly, also looking at the daily time frame, it's really a big turnover we're currently getting, right? And I've been warning you guys on this bearish divergence for quite a while here. We formed, of course, a bearish divergence here on the market. Lower high on the daily time frame, higher high on the RSI. I have been warning you guys for this pattern. I have been saying there's extreme danger in the market for many days in a row over there. And of course, since we right now come down, I want to be looking at the next opportunity, right? So the next thing I would like to see is, of course, a confirmation of a lower daily close on the market. As soon as we do get a lower daily close on the market, we can officially, of course, look for a potential bullish divergence getting formed here on the daily time frame. And that is what I'm really waiting for before opening massive long positions on this market. Because, still, I think there could be, of course, a possibility for more turnover towards the downside. I have been in a little bit short positions, but currently I'm just going to wait on the sidelines till I see a good opportunity to open a massive long position up. But currently, it is not there yet here. I don't think it's time right now to open big long positions. However, I think the time is becoming very, very close right now when we can be, of course, opening crazy positions. Also, I talked about this yesterday, but still, I need to be pointing this out, guys. The pi cycle bottom indicator is, of course, about to flash. It's another signal that every single time, of course, these moving averages cross with each other, the pi cycle bottom indicator flashes. And right now, as you can see, we are extremely close by having another crossover, basically another indication for a bottom on this market. It could be happening next week, it could be happening the week after, but anyways, I personally think that right now and in the, let's say, coming 4 to 5 weeks, the Bitcoin bottom will be getting found, and the opportunity of buying Bitcoin so cheap will never occur ever again in a lifetime. So I am currently still buying more. Dollar cost averaging more in this market. I personally think it's a very fair valuation to be buying my Bitcoins at below $20,000. And since this signal is about to flash, I am very curious on what kind of effect it's going to be having on the market. Maybe this time around it will be not accurate, but I personally think, of course, as well, like historically speaking, exact bottom getting called, I personally think is a very interesting metrics to look at. And of course, once we do cross bullish again here on this pi cycle bottom indicator, that is the signal once we could be looking for a significant run up again. So far we're not at the stage where we can look for a significant run up, but we are definitely waiting for the stage for the bottom indicator to be flashing. So guys, I truly hope you did enjoy today's update video. I mean, I did enjoy making this video. So if you did enjoy it, smash up the like button, and like I have not told you, subscribe to the channel, and of course, ring up the bell notification if you not want to be missing out anything of the important content that is going to get rolled out here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.